Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, The Canadian Chapter. People who have been with us in this journey know that we have covered cost of living. Now, when you're planning a trip to Canada or making a big move or just coming to study here, the major question everyone thinks, what should I pack? Let's dive right in. The first thing to pack is, of course, documents. From your passport to Canadian immigration letter, whether it is confirmation of PR, your PR card, your study permit, you need to bring the immigration letter, your birth certificate. If you're married, we would recommend bringing marriage certificate, academic records and employment records along with all your transcripts. You can bring cash as well. The maximum limit per person is $10,000. Anything above $10,000, you have to declare on arrival. For jewelry, anything you're wearing is allowed, but if you're carrying something, you have to declare. When you're coming to Canada, in the flight, they give you a sheet, a form to fill, where if you want to declare anything, you can declare. You can also carry a Forex card. A Forex card will help you withdraw cash here. They charge fees on that. You can check with all the major banks over there, whichever you prefer. Forex card can also be used as a debit card for shopping or withdrawal. Now let's understand what clothes to bring. Canada has 4 seasons: summer, fall, which is very beautiful, spring, and winters, which are very long. So you have to pack according to the season you're coming in. After that, you can buy it here. The costs generally are similar as your home country for clothes. Now, let's start season-wise. Spring, which lasts from March to May, is very unpredictable weather. It's mostly cold weather and sometimes it snows in spring. You might want to bring a light winter jacket, which is waterproof, a poncho, an umbrella, and your daily wear clothes with long sleeve t-shirts and sweaters. If you talk about summer, it lasts from June to August. You want to bring your t-shirts, tank tops, shorts, flip-flops. Sometimes during summer, it gets a little windy, so you might want to bring a light hoodie as well. If you talk about fall, sometimes it's a little cold, but a lot windy. If you're coming in this season, please pack long sleeve tops, sweaters, scarves, light gloves as well, and umbrella. Now, let's talk about winters. In winters, it gets really cold over here and the temperature goes up to negative 25 degrees to 27 degrees. It lasts from November to February. Generally, February is the coldest month of the year. You can see heavy snowfall during these months, so you want to bring warm gloves, a beanie, scarf, snow boots, and winter jackets. Generally, what we recommend is bring one of it just so that when you land, you have something to wear. After that, you can buy it from here, all the winter clothes. Because the temperature over here goes to negative 25 degrees, we do have jackets like down jacket, which are very lightweight but keeps you warm even in negative 30 degrees. You can buy these winter jackets, scarves, beanies, all of this, which would support the temperature over here from Mountain Warehouse, Sports Check, even Walmart and Costco have some options in there. Those are cheaper options. So you can see somewhere from $45 to $50 jacket to $150 jacket. So pack wisely. For winter boots, you can buy Sorel, Columbia, or from Aldo. So don't forget to pack your personal hygiene items, medications, and electronics, and the chargers. Now, if you're planning to move here, you might want to bring some kitchenwares as well, like plates, Cooking utensils like a pan, a pressure cooker. If you're coming from India, you might want to bring lentils, masalas, etc. In Canada, there are stores for every nationality. There's a TNT store for Chinese items. There are a lot of Indian stores. There are Korean stores where you can buy Korean groceries as well. So you will have enough of options, especially for Indian stores. There's everywhere an Indian store where you can buy groceries, your tea, your masalas, lentils, and everything. You name it and they have it. The price may be a little more, but it's better to pack other essential items more than worrying about these smaller things. But if you want, you can bring pressure cooker, a pan, spatula, and plates and glasses. In Indian stores over here, you also get cooking utensils, but it's your wish. If you're traveling with a child, don't forget to carry the child's immunization records. It's very important over here for landing and for school admissions as well. And the immunization charts should be properly recorded with the date and the vaccine given to the child. You will also need a child seat or a booster seat depending on the age of your child. We've given the chart at the below as to what is required as per the Ontario government. Every province has a different rules for a child seat and booster seat depending on age, height, and weight of your child. You can explore more online. You need a child seat to carry or a booster seat to carry because when you land and book your first cab or take a ride with one of your relatives, you need to have this child seat or booster seat. It's mandatory as per the road rules. If you're bringing electronics with you, don't forget to bring a converter. Over here, the design of the plugs and the voltage requirement for all the plugs is different than most of the countries. So you would need a plug converter to make the best use of your electronics. So this was all. You can see the chart below for the season, clothes, and other details if you want a recap on what to pack. If you want to know anything specifically, leave a comment and we'll try to get back to you with all the details. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.